Hello guys, my name is Chiranjit and welcome to my channel Chiranjit tutorial. Today I am going to show you the blend effects in a very simple way. So at first I am going to take the spiral tool and make a spiral here. Then I am going to take a circle, press Alt Shift and drag it for a proper circle. And press Alt Shift and drag for duplicate circle and make it little bit bigger, make it little bit smaller, and then I'm going to change the color of the circle outline. I'm going to this light color, light green, and this one deep green, that is already selected, and select to both objects. I'm going to blend and make blend, and then I am going to applying the effects on the spiral and select to both objects and go to object blend and replace spine. So you can see here that is replaced on this spiral, and I will go again to object blend and blend option. You can preview this. I will make it 400, so you can show this that blend effect is ready and very simple. So guys, thank you for watching the video.